To split screen, to open two apps at the same time from Edge panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open the first app. As the example, we will open Gallery. Next, drag the Edge panel handle to open up the app panel. Tap and hold on the second app you want to use in split screen view. Drag it to either the lower or upper part of the screen. As the example, we will select Note. Now, you can use these two apps at the same time. As the example, you can easily drag a photo from your gallery to your Note to copy it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.